Hello friends, hope you are all doing great. In this video section, we will discuss what is a pure function in JavaScript. So we can start with the definition. A pure function is a function that always produce same output for the same input and no side effect. Side effect means any modification of state outside the function scope. Any modification of state outside the function, modifying a variable or object, or making a network request outside the function, that is called no side effect. And pure function does not effect on anything which is not inside the method. So let's create pure function, and we'll discuss on what's going on. So create a function add, and we can take a and b, two variables, and inside the function return, we can simply return a plus b. And function, and when we call the function, we can pass 1 and 2 and pass into a console. Yes, yes, as you can see, we can get output 3. One important thing you can came you need to note: pure function only relies on the arguments. For example, in this pure function, the function add relies on these two arguments, a and b, and and use these two variables for any kind of operations, and returns the new output, and does not affect on any other thing which is not inside this function block. This is called pure function. Let's create another example of pure function. Function double array, and we can pass this function to array, and returns array dot map number, and number multiplied by 2, and const output array double array a double r, and output array. Now we will compile and see what's going on. Yes, now our array is doubled: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But the amazing thing is, if we console our source array, and we can see in the console, yes, we can see in the console our source array remains same. Nothing affects on our source array. If this pure function takes an array as an argument and returns the newly created array after applying some operations. Just need to note, newly created array returns this function, not modifying the existing array. So this is called pure function, and that's the second example of the pure function. Now we can create another example of the impure function to for your better understanding and clarity. So let's create, let count is equal to 0 function add increment count increment number, or we can say number, and count plus is equal to number, add increment 2, add increment 4, and just console this count variable, and we can see the count variable should contains a value 6, and this is the impure function because this function affects on the on something which is outside this function, not the inside of the not the inside function, outside of the function. This function affects, so this is called the impure function. I think now you will better understand what is the pure function and what is the impure function. So I think your concepts of pure function is clear. We can meet in the next video section. Hope you will enjoy this video. Keep 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 subscribe, like and share if you if this content is useful for you. Thanks for you watching. We will meet in next video section. Goodbye.